Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the wedge stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the single crochet stitch, and the single crochet decrease. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 3. I have already made 24 chains on my hook. To start row 1, we're going to make a single crochet decrease over the first 2 chains. So starting with the second chain from your hook, insert your hook into that chain, grab that yarn, pull it through, pulling up a loop. Then insert your hook into the next chain, grab that yarn, pull it through, pulling up a loop. Then yarn over, take that through all 3 loops to complete that single crochet decrease over 2 chains. Now you're going to make a chain, then you're going to do that same thing, a single crochet decrease over the next 2 chains. So insert your hook, grab that yarn, pull it through, insert your hook into the next chain, grab that yarn, pull it through. You'll have 3 loops, yarn over, take that through all 3 loops, then make a chain. You're going to start repeating this all the way across until you reach the end of this row. Once you reach the end of this row and you only have 1 chain left, work 1 single crochet into that last chain to complete this row. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 1 chain. So the sequence from our last row stays the same. We're just working into previous stitches and these chain spaces that we made. So you're going to single crochet decrease into this first stitch and this chain space. Insert your hook into that stitch, grab that yarn, pull it through, pulling up a loop. Insert your hook into the next chain space, grab that yarn, pull it through, pulling up a loop. We have 3 loops, just like we did when we did our other single crochet decreases. Yarn over, take that through all 3 loops to complete that decrease. Now you're going to make a chain. And you're going to do the same thing. Decrease over this next stitch and chain space. Insert your hook, grab that yarn, pull it through, pulling up a loop. Insert your hook into the next chain space, grab that yarn, pull it through, pulling up a loop. Yarn over, take that through all of the loops to complete that decrease. Now make a chain, and you're going to continue to make this little decrease and a chain across until you reach the last stitch of this row. Once you get to the end of your row, you only have 1 stitch left. You're going to work a single crochet into that last stitch to complete this row. And that's how row 2 is looking. You would now repeat row 2 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the wedge stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at Crochet Me Lovely, all one word. Please leave any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.